Logic and Binary at LB Dexter, and we are back. And today we got Pepsi. Alrighty. So we're just gonna get right into this. I've got nothing to say except for chill, pour hard, chill, pour hard, chill, pour hard. So anyways, we have chilled these. Now we're about to pour them hard and see what happens. You ready? I'm ready. I'm excited. Are you excited? You don't look excited. Super. All right, let's do this. So I'm not gonna bother in tearing these open. Aha. And we have these beautiful glosses brought to you by, I don't know where they came from, but look at it, they're beautiful, right? They're perfect for this. Pepsi Nitro, here we go. It says chill and pour hard. So we're gonna pour hard, okay? I'm gonna find out what happens, I don't know. Okay, wait a minute, what's supposed to happen? All right, we'll read the damn. Admire and enjoy. Sounds like a regular old Saturday night to me. All right, well, let's do this. Let's see how beautiful this is. I guess that's the whole thing behind nitrogen infused cola. Smaller bubbles, smoother taste. I can do a commercial. Nitrogen infused cola, smaller bubbles, smoother taste. We're gonna try this, okay, ready? Nitrogen infused cola, smaller bubbles, smoother taste. Oh, somebody hire me. Pepsi, you got my number. Wait, no. Bush. Ready? I hope you got that sound. Ready? Here we go, I'm gonna pour hard. That really did take a long time. Oh, look at it. It's so bubbly. It looks like beer. Admire. I'm following the instructions. It says admire. Those are all little bubbles. All of those little tiny bubbles. It's supposed to be smooth and creamy and easy to drink. Vanilla draft. Okay, this is a vanilla draft. This almost tastes like a root beer flow, but when you make it out of Pepsi. It tastes like flat soda. It does, it really does. It tastes like flat soda. You gotta try this, guy. It's not bad. Don't get me wrong, it's not bad. It tastes like good flat soda, right? Yeah, like a melted Slurpee. So here we go. Am I supposed to talk during the ASMR, or should I just shut the fuck? That's pretty good. It's just like a regular flavor. This one's definitely regular flavor. I kind of like this one even better, actually. I'm not big on vanilla soda, but this one actually tastes pretty good. It tastes like flat Pepsi, but in a good way, not in a bad way, because you don't get that nasty taste that you get from a flat Pepsi. But try that, right? It tastes kind of like a flat Pepsi, right? It's exactly that. I think he hit the nail on the head. It's flat, enjoyable Pepsi. It's not flat in a bad way. It's pretty good. I wonder what it would taste like with alcohol. I think I like this one better, though. Yeah, this one. Would I recommend it? No, I wouldn't. But it's not for the reasons that you think. The only reason why I wouldn't recommend this drink is just plain simple. I don't drink soda. I don't recommend you drink soda either. Soda's really not the best thing for you. But every now and then you get that craving. Oh, and I will have my Pepsi every now and then. But it's very rare. And then every time that I drink soda, I get thirsty. So, but if you put the whole don't drink soda thing aside, yeah, I would recommend it. This one's actually very good. This is regular Pepsi, so if you like Pepsi, you're gonna like this one. Anyways, yeah, with that said though, I like it. I think it was pretty interesting, the whole pouring thing. This one was a lot faster, but I think it poured a lot better this way, and then you can see the foam is still kind of there versus that one. Well, with that said, I guess that's pretty much it, man. Pepsi Nitro, smooth, creamy, easy to drink, sure enough. Pepsi Nitro Vanilla. Yeah, thanks for watching. You guys know, like, subscribe. I don't know what to do with my hands. No, like, subscribe, and again, thank you for watching. Logic Binary, sign out.
Yeah, and we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof.